Imagine a world where your boss is an algorithm, your doctor is a robot, and the next chart-topping song was composed by a computer. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Well, today, we're diving deep into this captivating question: can artificial intelligence replace human beings? It's a question that sparks debates, raises eyebrows, and challenges our very understanding of what it means to be human. Point 1. AI in the workplace. Artificial intelligence has already made significant inroads into various industries, automating repetitive tasks, analyzing data at speeds humans could never match, and even offering creative insights. In many respects, AI has become an invaluable tool, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Imagine a scenario where AI algorithms handle routine paperwork, data analysis, and customer service inquiries. This frees up human employees to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. However, while AI is a remarkable assistant, it still falls short in areas that require emotional intelligence, empathy, and nuanced decision-making. Point 2. AI in healthcare. Moving on to healthcare, AI has made groundbreaking strides in diagnostics and treatment recommendations. Machine learning algorithms can analyze medical data more comprehensively than any human ever could, potentially saving lives through early disease detection. Yet, the crucial role of human medical professionals should not be underestimated. Diagnosing a patient's condition involves more than just data interpretation. It requires empathy, a bedside manner, and the ability to consider the patient's emotional state. Moreover, medical decision-making often involves ethical dilemmas that AI cannot navigate without human guidance. Point 3. AI in creativity. Now, let's delve into the realm of creativity. AI has demonstrated its ability to compose music, write articles, and even generate artwork. Some argue that AI can replicate human creativity, but can it truly replace the depth of human imagination and emotional connection that art and literature often evoke? While AI can certainly create impressive works of art and music, it lacks the profound human experiences and emotions that often inspire the greatest creative endeavors. Art and literature are deeply rooted in the human condition, and AI, devoid of consciousness and emotions, cannot fully grasp this. Point 4. AI in decision-making. Decision-making is another area where AI has gained prominence. It can analyze vast datasets to provide recommendations in various fields, from finance to law. The speed and precision of AI decision-making are unparalleled, but does it mean AI can replace human decision-makers entirely? AI is exceptional at making data-driven decisions, but it lacks the ability to consider ethical, moral, and social factors comprehensively. In complex situations, especially those involving human lives and well-being, the human touch is essential. Point 5. The essence of humanity. Our final point brings us to the heart of the matter: the essence of humanity. Can AI ever replicate the richness of human experience, our emotions, consciousness, and the very essence of what it means to be human? The answer, at least for now, is a resounding no. Artificial intelligence, as advanced as it has become, lacks consciousness and self-awareness. It operates on algorithms and data, devoid of genuine understanding or subjective experience. While AI can mimic certain human behaviors and responses, it cannot truly feel emotions, love, empathy, or understand the depth of human experiences. So, after exploring these 5 points, it's clear that while artificial intelligence is an incredibly powerful tool, it cannot replace human beings entirely. Thank you for joining us on this thought-provoking journey today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing discussions on technology and its impact on our lives.